Sir, morning sir.
Good morning.
Sir, question sir.
Wala kayo kanina doon sa flag racing.
Yes sir. Sir, question lang sir. Yung tungkol sa Safer Cities initiative nyo, lately mayroong mga claims, mga purported claims na there is chaos in the streets, magulo daw. Parang it runs counter to your Safer Cities program, sir. How do you respond to that, sir?
Okay, ang Safer Cities natin is only a program under our enhancement in police operations. And we've been doing this enhanced managing police operations in such a way that meron tayong Safer Cities. We are coding it as a Safer City kasi nga mag-focus tayo dito. Like for example, we are implementing Safer Cities because we start from prevention of crime. That's the purpose of police patrolling, visibility, and then that is the prevention of the occurrence of crime. And it is it's effective. If we will compare it to the period of the previous 2 years, as well as month by month, meaning December 2025, January, February, and March, because we have implemented this first week of April.
April 6, sir.
April 6, in-implement natin. And we saw a downtrend of the data or the figure. About 13% ang nabawas comparing it to those period. And if we were going to compare it to the same period last 2 years ago, that is election period of 2025 as well as the period of 2024. Yan yung January, February, March, April ay malaki ang binawas. Despite of our effort during the election period last year, medyo malaki ang pondo noon, malaki ang ginawa natin yun. At nire-replicate natin yun. That's why we have 30% a difference, reduction of crime. But there are focus crime na masasabi naman natin tumaas. But the point here is generally all of the focus crimes, pag pinagsama-sama mo, and that is the picture of our crime situation. Pag pinag-compare mo, it is 30% of compared to 2024 and 2025, and 13% reduction comparing it to the period of months, 3 months before the implementation. So that's the data. Insofar as, for example, Trobes cases, makikita natin tumaas. Why? Because nandiyan yung pulis natin sa kalsada. Makikita natin yung mga pulis and the public, sila na mismo ang lumalapit sa pulis such that yung kanilang reklamo ay ating naasikaso, resulting to how many? For example, if we have one arrested personality by CDR and by interview, nakikita natin kung ilan ang ninakawan niya in the previous years, in the previous months. Kasi meron tayo, for example, citing the robbery hold-up in PRO Calabarzon area, that is in Batangas, Laguna, Quezon, merong isang grupo doon na na-aresto. And then what is the effect? The effect is the solution. The solution of more than 10 cases of theft and robbery cases over those chain of stores. And not only in PRO Calabarzon area, but as well as Region 3, marami tayo nakukuha dyan. And NCRPO jurisdiction. At tuloy-tuloy ang ating ginagawang kampanya in order to prevent these occurrence. The only way that we can prevent is a good deployment, that is tagged as Safer Cities, good employment of our police operations to prevent this type of crime, and as well as good reaction, that is to ensure our investigative solution para matapos ang kanilang activity.
Sir, ano na lang message niyo